How to turn off message option from your Facebook page. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily turn off the message option on your Facebook page. So the very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up Facebook application on your device. Then you want to switch over to the page where you want to turn off your messaging. In order to do that, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. Then you'll find the drop down over here to switch over to your pages. Now I can just tap on any one of the page here. I'll just tap on the first one. It's going to switch to the pages profile. Then tap on the three dots menu at the top right. And then from here, you want to find settings and privacy down below. Tap on settings. Once you open up your settings menu, you want to go over down here where you see audience and visibility. Tap on how people can find and contact you. And on this, you'll find messaging. Just make sure that you toggle this off where it says allow people to message your page. When turning this setting back on, it can take up to 24 hours for users to be able to send messages to your page back again. So that's all, guys. You just basically have to turn this one off and your messaging option will be disabled. That's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.